I was looking at that cut. See, this sweep here, this is supposed to go right up against the tile. So that would mean logic dictates it should be a very straight cut, right? And I think maybe you can kind of see his cut. If I can get a focus on this. This is his cut of what is supposed to be a watertight seal. We can see it's not a very good cut there for what it's supposed to be doing. That's the So he actually came out with 2 new door jambs and put them on. I saw him peel the sticky tape off the back and put these in. He redid these. But again, he still didn't go all the way down flush to the tub. Why do we have this gap here? See that? Wow. And then he put that silicone in there. Here's the end of the door jamb, and that's just a big gap. In fact, his silicone even left a hole right there. Why would he not go all the way down flush to the tub? That can't be right. Just take another quick look at that. Look at that. There's also a strange little something inside there that he left behind. I don't know what that is. There's something in there that he, for whatever reason, I mean, I don't know what that is. We don't see that anywhere else. We don't see it on the end of this one. We don't see it on the other end of this same one. And we don't see it on the other end of the other one. So, what is that? What has he got inside there that he left behind? Well, I don't know. And the sweep is not making contact with the tub. We're going to have a leak here anyway. And on the other side, the other door, same thing. Now I purposely have the door open because it's easier to see, to show it to you this way, but you can see that the sweep there is not in contact. So maybe one way of showing you what I'm talking about here is with a business card. We just put this business card in here. Now, I'm not applying any pressure to this thing, okay? It's just, look, you can see, that's just loose, right? That's, right. That's, that can't be good. I don't know about this whole sweep system thing. It's like a rubber piece and it slides over this metal. You can see how it's, look, it's already starting to wear. This thing's not even a week old. Look at that. You can see it's just carving. It's just carving away at that. every time you open. Look at all that. That just can't be good. Every time you move this, you get a little bit more. See that? Every time it moves. Wow. And if you feel that, that's a sharp edge, that corner. Wow. I don't know if you can see this. I'll try to hold this as still as possible. As the door moves, it starts swinging up. See if you can see this. Do you see that? Let's do it again. There, it went down. See how it starts to go up? So I think what is going on here, this piece was put in here deliberately to push this sweep down. It's like a wedge. It's sort of like his way of, it's an adjustment to try to close the gap when the door is over here. And probably part of the reason for this door swinging in the upward direction when you close it is because this door is still not straight. I don't know if you can see the gap there. The door doesn't quite close all the way, and just like before, that gap gets smaller and smaller until you get down to the bottom where that gap doesn't hardly exist at all. It's closed. And another thing that we noticed, if I can open the door here, is we still have a wheel. That was supposed to be one of the things he fixed. Still flopping around. Why? And the other thing that they did when they came back to do the repair was they remounted this. 4 new holes in the tile, apart from the ones that were already there. It basically means nothing was done right.